Hey everyone, wanted to do another video. Coppa last night had her piglets, and they're doing very healthy, or they're very healthy and active, moving. Long night for myself. I didn't go to bed till like 3 in the morning. Get up at 6:30, but she had 13 of them, one very small runt, and he didn't make it through the night. The final count would be 12 with 2 boys and 10 girls. Pretty excited. And she did very well throughout the night. I was a little worried, making sure that she wouldn't step on any, but they seemed to got out of the way. She's very attentive to them. If any of them make some noise, she turns around real quick, so you make sure they're okay. But Coppa's doing very well. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. But yeah, there'll be more piglet videos, but wanted to give you a update. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.